All right, hi, so it's Akeem. I'm here to present my distributed systems Kafka project. So I'll just start off here. So here's the Tunify reporting service, and here, let me see, can I do this first? Firstly, I want to set up the Kafka consumer properties, as you can see here. These will be the local hosts of 9092, 9093, and 9094. And here's everything. I'll create the consumer service next in this line. Then the consumer that subscribe collections will subscribe to the topic. Here we'll use this try and catch. And they'll continuously pull for new events. It will continuously pull for new events. And we'll use this value to ensure that when we're exiting, exit gracefully and we won't have any like connection issues. Here the consumer.records, it creates checks for new records. And then this it will print out each of the records. So first, the new event detected, user ID, event details, partition offsets, etc. And here is just to catch any errors that could occur in the reporting service. And always here I use the consumer that close. This will always close the consumer to release new resources. The Tunify API class, we use a obviously we're running in the main class, the main Java class, and here I initialize a Kafka producer for publishing the play events. The HTTP server equals HTTP work rate. It just creates a HTTP server that will listen on the port 8000. And we use a fixed thread of pools to handle incoming requests and define a HTTP context for plays endpoints. Yeah. So the if post here equals ignore HTTP will only post requests, only processes requests, post requests, and then reject every other one. Read the request body, and convert it into a string here. Pass the request body into expected fields and validates that, or here the data length is equal to 4. It's going to validate all fields and make sure that they're all present. So we need to use the artist name, track name, and album name here. We need to make sure it has all of these four that won't validate. The play events equals new play events. It will create a play event and play event object and publish it to the Kafka. And here in the string response, I said to obviously send a response back if it's been successful. Event has been published successfully. Yeah. So we'll send back a response saying that everything's been created properly and everything's working fine. Yeah, it's catch 400. This will be for a bad request. And you can see the tree down below. It'll also do the same. Here is literally the server side. Just start the server and just print line to show the server is running on port 8000. Here, it's private static final string topic equals place. This will be the Kafka to which play events are published. The Kafka producer instance is a share of the private final Kafka producer. This constructor is used to initialize the Kafka producer. The private Kafka producer is a method to configure and create a Kafka producer. So we'll initialize the Kafka producer with necessary configurations. Kafka brokers to connect to will be these 9092, 9093, 9094, and the serializer for the key, the user ID. Will be here. Serializer for the value play event objects will be config that produce this config. Value serializer class config. The public void publish event. This method is used to publish a play event to the Kafka producer. So create a producer record with the given topic key and value. The producer record will be this. I'll send the record and handle to the callback. Okay, we'll separate callback implementation for better clarity and modularity. The private static class Tunify callback implements a callback. These are just the variables we use. Yeah. So over here on completion, it will literally, if there are any exceptions, apart from the exceptions, if there are no exceptions, it's going to output here the event publisher, the key, the value, the partition, and offset. User ID, my data, or else, or log print details if any errors occur. Now, let me move this camera. Let me just move the camera to this side. 1 second. Now I will show you everything running here. So this is the first server. I have to make sure the server is running. Yeah. Here next, I want to create well, sorry, I was supposed to open the server, separate Kafka tab and run these server properties. So now next I'm gonna create a Kafka topic head to Kafka and go to the bin, then run it. Go, where is it? Kafka topics. Here. Now I'm gonna verify that's been made using this command. Here we can see that all trade been made. So now it's time to test the drives. I'm going to use the drive files to make sure that everything is running. So I'm going to head here to the Kafka assignment to verify everything. On this drive command. You can see if I paired on port 8000, so it's working correct. Now I'm going to go to the reporting service. Next, you're going to go to Kafka assignment. Move your own and just run this command. Here you can see the output. So it's showing that the client is actually sending it to the place. We'll send to the API, sending the event to the API. Locals 8000 plays. Okay, and this is assignment working. So that's me done. And this is my distributed Stems Kafka assignment done. There you go. Let me. That's really